Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Let's join all the people. Most probably because of Sunday, mostly no one will join. Let's see. Anyhow, because of Sunday, mostly no one will join. Let's see. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Let me know audio video okay or not. Is audio video okay? Check one time. Hi, hi Ratul. How are you? How are you, Ratul? It's nice to see you after a long time. Ratul, it's nice to see you after a long time. How are you? How is your MTech going on? Ratul, how is your MTech going on? Let me know. I am fine. I hope you too. Hello, hello, hello. How is your MTech? How is the placements? Ratul, when the placement will start? Ratul, when the placement will start? Hello. Audible? Yeah. Hi. Hi, Shashi. Hi. Hi, Shashi. Hi, Ratul. Rachit, are you there? Rachit, are you there? Ella, are you there? Let's see. Because of Sunday, mostly no one will come. Let's see. Ratul, when the placement will start? When placement will start? Hi, hi, Navneet. Hi. Hi, Navneet. Yeah, perfect. Perfect then. Perfect. So yeah, next year will start. Okay. Okay. Hi Lokendra, how are you? How are you, Lokendra? I'm seeing you after a long time. I'm seeing you after a long time. How are you, Lokendra? It's nice to see you after a long time. I still remember we met once. Ratul, we met at any time. Ratul, we met at any time. No, na. But right? But Lokendra and Lokendra and me met once. Lokendra, you remember? We met once. Hi Navneet, hi. Hi Shashi. Yes, fine, fine then. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thanks for saying hi. Thank you, Ratul. It was nice to see you after a long time. Yes, Lokendra. Yes. All the best, Ratul. All the best. If you need any placement help, let me know. If you need any material and all, Ratul, if you need any placement help, any placement material, if you need, let me know. Yeah, I think we can start. We can start now. We can start. Yeah, let's start. This is the place where we stopped in the last class. In the yesterday's class, we stopped here. In yesterday's class, we stopped here. I think almost like we done approximately. Yeah, let's see the problem number. The problem number 6. The problem number 7. It's the problem number 7. This is a problem number 7. Yeah, this is the problem number 7. Now we can go to next problem. Problem number 8. We can go to problem number 8. So today's date is, I think, 24th. Let me know what is the date today. Let me know what is the date today. I think it's the 24th. Right, 24th, 8, 25. Right, so I think we can start the class. We can start the class. Today is the last class on the YouTube. We approximately done 5 classes, right? Including today, it's the 5th class. We almost done 5 classes. 5 classes of algorithm we done. So as part of the DSA course, we done 5 classes. As part of DSA course, we done the 5 classes. So including today's class, totally 5 classes. 5 classes we want to give freely, we done, and we went slowly also. Because the further people we are going to join, so that they will also get 5 classes we done. Right, we done 5 classes, including today, 5 classes we done. And one more suggestion is, there is a 60% offer is going on. If you want to be expert in the DSA, right, you can join in this course. It is a 3 months. Within 3 months only, you are going to be expert in the DSA. Within 3 months only, you are going to be expert in the DSA. So my request is 60% offer going on, you can utilize it. 60% offer going on, you can utilize it. So go to the exampreptool.com. There you can buy the DSA course. 60% offer going on, and you can use the code EPT 595 ARJ. You can use this code. You will get the 60% discount. Okay, fine, perfect. We can start the today's problem. We can start the today's class. Right up, main. Be careful, everyone. Main. Int. I think int also not required. So let me try. Main. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus is equal to 10, x is equal to y plus z. So I think this function, yeah, let me write this. Y is equal to z plus x. Next one, z is equal to a plus b. So remember, these all are part of the for loop. These all are part of the for loop. These all are part of the for loop. Right? So just you can write syntax in any language. You can write syntax in any language. I written the syntax of some C language because C language, C++, and Java in all three languages same. That is the reason I written. So you can write in the Python also same. Python also same story will be there. The only thing is brackets are not there. In Python language there is no brackets. In C, C++, and Java exactly similar. In C, C++, and Java exactly similar. In Python no bracket. So programming language doesn't matter. Can you go ahead? What will be the time complexity of this one? Right? The purpose of first few classes is how to find out time complexity and space complexity. Within few days, space complexity also will start. Within few days, space complexity will also start. Right? Can you go ahead now? What is the time complexity of this program? Everyone try to give answer. Everyone try to give answer. Hi Anurag. Hi Ratul. Hi Lokendra. Hi Shashi. Hi everyone. Hi. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? We are watching this one. Please try to give the answer. What is the answer of this problem? What is the answer of this problem? Can you try? What is the answer of this problem? Can you try? Check everyone. Check everyone. What is the answer? It is a nice problem. It is a nice problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. It is a nice problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Try everyone. What is the time complexity of this problem? Everyone can try. Everyone can try. What is the time complexity of this problem? So if you observe clearly, right? If you observe clearly in this program, right? Every time you are adding by 10. Incrementation going on, but every time you are adding by 10. Suppose assume that if you have 100 rupees, right? You have 100 rupees. Every day you are spending 10 rupees. You have 100 rupees. Every day you are spending 10 rupees. So I think I can say first day 10 rupees. Next day, right? One more 10, 20. Next day, one more 10, 30. Next day, one more 10, 40, and so on. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I think within 10 days it will be over. Suppose if you have 50 rupees, every day if you spend 10 rupees, within 5 days it will be over. So what I mean to say is this loop is going on. This loop is going on approximately n by 10 times. If at all, always you are incrementing by plus 1, n by 1 time. Always you are incrementing by plus 2, n by 2 times this loop will go. Always you are incrementing by 10. So n by 10 times this loop will increment. If you want, you can check. N by 10 times. So first time is 1. Second time is 1 plus 10 is 11. Next time is 11 plus 10 is 21. Next time is 21 plus 10 is 31. Next one is 31 plus 10 is 41, and so on. And so on, and so on it will go. Lastly, if you observe clearly, 91 also will work. So I think if you observe clearly, 10 times happened. See, 10 times happened, right? So 0, 1, 11, 21, 31, 0 to 9, totally 10 times. So next one 101, next one 101 condition is failed because n is 100. Next time is 101 less than or equal to 100 condition is failed out of the for loop. So what I mean to say is this loop will run n by 10 times. Okay, n by 10 times. Okay, but sir, inside 3 statements are there, na? That is okay. So this program time complexity is actually, right? Actually, every time 3 statements are executing, how many times? N by 10 times. N by 10 times. Every time 3 statements are executing, N can be written as 3 by 10 into N. This can be written as 3 by 10 into N, which is nothing but a big O of N, which is nothing but a big O of N, which is nothing but a big O of N. 3 by 10 into N, so which is nothing but a big O of N. So the time complexity of this problem is order of N. You can write theta of N, you can write omega of N. Sir, some people are asking, sir, 3 statements are there, na? 3 statements are there, so 3 into. Sir, if at all 5 statements are there, 5 into. So ready, sir, right? 3 statements are there, you are saying 3 into N by 10. If 5 there, you will write 5 into N by 10, it's okay. But what about this one? Sir, this is also statement, na? Sir, this is also statement, na? Sir, this is also statement. Now, why are you considering only these 3? Why are you considering only these 3? Why not this? Why not this? Why not this? Okay, add it. That actually not required to add. If you want, you can add. So what is the answer? Every time 6 people. So 6 into N by 10. That is also big O of N only. Maybe some people want to ask me from the first class onwards. Some people want to ask me from the first class onwards. They want to ask me from the first class onwards. Right, they want to ask me from the first class onwards. Reddy sir, you are saying that inside only one statement there. Then what about this, sir? What about this? What about this? What about this? Why don't you consider? Yeah, if you want, you can consider. Actually, not needed. You want to consider? Consider. No problem. Totally 3 plus 3, totally 6 people. 6 into N by 10. So 6N, which is nothing but order of N. I hope everyone is comfortable. Let me know any objection is there. So the time complexity of this program is actually 3 into N by 10. Anurag Kashyap, pro arrived. Where is Anurag Kashyap? Oh, is Anurag is your friend? Ratul, Anurag is your friend. You know Anurag? You know Anurag? Ratul, you know Anurag? Ratul, you know Anurag or what? Anurag, you know Ratul? Anurag, you know Ratul? Yeah, perfect. Rachit, you got it? Rachit, you got this problem? So some people are asking, sir, inside for loop 3 there, but why not I is equal to 1? Why not I less than or equal to n? Why not I plus is equal to 10? Okay, include those also. Include those also. So every time 6 people, n by 10 times, n by 10 times. So 6 into n by 10, which is nothing but 6 order of n. Okay, I think you people got it. I think many people got it. Many people got it. Some people are asking, sir, what is the answer of this problem? Ready, sir, what is the answer of this problem? In the place of plus 10, in the place of plus 10, suppose plus 5. Then what is the answer? In the place of n by 10, n by 5. It's going to be n by 5. So 6 into n by 5. Right? 6 by 5 into n. Finally, big O of n. Finally, big O of n or theta of n. Right? If at all I plus is equal to 10, in the 10 place 5 there. I plus is equal to 10, in the 10 place 5 is there. So then what will happen is, right, 3 into n by 10, actually 3. Some people are asking, sir, I want to add this also. Yeah, that is also correct. That is also correct. So, right, you take only one. Second one is better, right? Just I want to say to you, right, initial few classes, I said whatever is needed. Now let's talk about little practical. Sir, those are also statement, now. Okay, add it. 3 plus 6, sorry, 3 plus 3, totally 6 people. So every time 6 people, like that, n by 5 people. N by 5 times 6 into n by 5. If it is a 10, n by 10. So finally, big O of n. Yeah, you are perfect. Now you can see the next problem. You can see the next problem. You can see the next problem. Can you see this one? You can see the next problem. Example. Take one more problem. Main main for I is equal to 25, I less than or equal to n, I plus is equal to 7. Inside if you observe, A is equal to B plus C. Inside if you observe, A is equal to B plus C. I plus is equal to 3. I plus is equal to 9. Try what is the answer of this problem? What is the time complexity of this program? Currently, the goal what we are doing is time complexity finding only. Currently, our goal is time complexity finding only. Can you try what is the time complexity of this problem? Please try what is the time complexity of this program. Try everyone, what is the time complexity of this program? Everyone can try. Everyone can try. What is the time complexity of this program? Try this. What is the answer for this? The answer of this one, if you observe, see, inside 3 people are there. Okay. Inside 3 people are there. Okay, count these people also. Totally 6 people. Let us assume that inside total 6 people. But the question here is, inside 6 people, okay, but loop is how many times? Inside 6 people are there, we are happy. But inside 6 people are there, it's okay. But how many times loop? But do you believe or not, if I want to go little more frank, if I want to go little more frankly, if I want to go, this will execute only one time. Initialization will execute only one time. This will execute n time. This will also execute n time. Suppose this loop is running n time, it will also execute n time. It is also, but it will execute one time only. So no need to count all 6 people. If you want, you can exclude this person. If you want, you can exclude this person at the end, right? At the end of the program, anyhow, we are excluding many people. We are writing something like order of n and all, right? We are writing at the end order of n. So, right, there is actually not required. But if I want to talk, to be frank, you can write 6. 6 people are running. But out of the 6 people, first person is running one time only. Out of 6 people, first person is running only one time. So totally 5 people are running, right? Total 5 people. That's okay. Sir, how I is incrementing, sir? If you observe clearly, initially I 25, that's okay. Initial value keep aside. 25. To that 25, first you are adding 3. Right? Next one, for that 3, again you are adding 9. Totally 12 you are adding. Again you are adding 7 also. 12 plus 7, 19. So every time you are adding 19. So what I mean to say is, can you see this one? First 25. 25 plus 19. First time 25 plus 19. Second time 25 is there. To this 19, one more 19. So 2 times of 19. First time, 1 time of 19. First time is 1 time of 19. Here, 1 time of 19. Second time 2 times of 19. Third time if you observe 3 times of 19. Whatever you have, one more 19. 3 times of 19. 3 times of 19. Continue. If I do 3 times, this is the story. If I go to K time, this became 25 plus K into 19. K into 19. Which is equal to approximately termination condition N. Approximately 20, right? Approximately what is the termination condition? N. Termination condition here is N. This is the N. Approximately termination condition N. So you continued until termination condition N will come. So finally, if you observe clearly, K into 19 is equal to N minus 25. N minus 25. So finally, K is equal to N minus 25 by 19. By 19. K is equal to N minus 25 by 19. K is equal to N minus 25 by 19. So what I mean to say is nothing. Yeah, no need to bother that much, right? 3 incremented, 9 incremented, 7 incremented. Total overall 19 you are incrementing. Overall 19 you are incrementing. Simply answer is N by 19. You can write happily N by 19. But think about small constants also. See this one. This is starting from 25. Right? It is not starting from 1. It is starting from 25. Already 25 is done. Starting itself 25 already over. So N minus 25. Nothing there. If it is starting from 1, N by 19. Because if it is starting from 25, so 1 to 25, already there is no need to do any work. So you have to subtract that 25. N minus 25 by 19. But internally, how many statements are there? 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, 4 there, 5 there. 5 into. If you want, you can write 5 into. 5 into. So if you forget about all the constants, I think it will become big O of N. Small constants you can ignore. 5 by 19 you can ignore. Lastly, N minus 15, N minus 25, N minus 25 also remove the 25. So simply big O of N. That is the answer for this. Actual answer is this. To be frank, actual answer is this. To be frank, actual answer is this. If you forget about the constant, so N by 5 by 19, N minus 25. N minus 25. 5 by 19, N minus 25. N by 19, N minus 25. 5 by 19, N minus 25. So I think 5 by 19 constant, 25 also constant. So this can be written as N. This can be written as big O of N. All are correct. See this one. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. All are correct. All are correct. Normally, time complexity will be written big O of N. Normally, time complexity will be written big O of N. It's a very nice problem. It's a very nice problem. It looked like so difficult, but so easy. Right? It looked like so difficult, but it's so easy. Always you are adding plus 10, right? Plus 19. Always you are adding plus 19. Always you are adding plus 19. I think this is the next example. Example number, I think, right? Previous example is how much? I think this example, if you see, is 7. It is 8. It is example 8. It is the example 8. It is the example 9. It is the example 9. Example 8 and example 9. I hope everyone is perfect. So 9 is done. Let's go for 10. Let's go for 10. Example 10. Example 10. Example 10. Right? Let's take main. Example 10. Main. Remember, I started with while loop. For loop or while loop, similar, right? While I Let's see this one. Greater than, while I greater than 1, while I greater than 1, let us assume I value initially n. Assume I value initially n. I value initially n. While I greater than 1, while I greater than 1, I is equal to I is initially n. N greater than 1, true. So I is equal to I minus 5. I is equal to I minus 27. I is equal to I minus 42. So A is equal to B plus C. C is equal to D plus E. I is equal to n, while I greater than 1, I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 27, I is equal to I minus 42, A is equal to B plus C, C is equal to D plus E. Right? These are, right? Now find out what is the time complexity. Can you do once? Can you do once? After this class over, because the 5 classes are over. 5 classes are over. There is an assignment also. In EPT, after every few classes, there is an assignment also. There is an assignment also. So that you will improve a lot. So within 3 months, you will become a DSA expert. Within 3 months, you will become a DSA expert. Trust me. Within 3 months, you will become a DSA expert. So can you go ahead this? Can you go ahead? I is equal to n, I greater than n, I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 27, I is equal to I minus 42, A is equal to B plus C, C is equal to D plus E. Can you try this? What is the answer of this? I think I want to say one important point here. I will say in this problem. For loop, while loop, almost similar. For loop, while loop, almost similar. But in the for loop, you have to say what is the starting point, what is the condition, how the incrementation. But here, incrementation is there inside. Initialization is there outside. Condition only there inside while. See, inside while only condition there. Inside while, if you go inside the while running, I will be keep on changing. Incrementation, decrementation is there inside. But starting itself there, before while loop, there is initialization. After the while loop, there is incrementation or decrementation. But within the while there is a condition. But in the for loop, initialization, condition, incrementation, all are there within the for only. But here within the while condition there. But whenever while is going on, inside there is a incrementation, decrementation. Outside there is a initialization. Both will be similar, different ways of writing. In every language, for loop is there, while loop also there. In every language, don't bother that much about. See, those people who bother about the programming language, you never grow in your life. You never grow in your life. Trust me. If you keep on thinking about, I know this language only, I don't know that language, then you never grow in life. You never grow in your life. Trust me. Right? If you keep on thinking about programming language, you never grow. I is equal to n, I greater than 1, I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 27, I is equal to I minus 42, A is equal to B plus C, C is equal to D plus E. So let's check one by one. So I think those people who tried this, I want to say one small thing. Right? Addition and subtraction both are similar. If you start with the bigger number, see this one. If you start with the bigger number, you started with the bigger number, then you have to subtract. If you start with small number, you have to add. Suppose starting point is small, you have to add inside. Starting point is big, you have to subtract. Both are same. Both are same. If you want, I will give mathematical proof also. Can you see this one? Initially, I value n, right? Initially, first round. Whenever first round is going, see this one, n. If you come inside, first 5 subtracting, next 27 subtracting, next 42 subtracting. Overall, how much subtracting? 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 plus 42, 74. 32 plus 32 and 42. I think 74 you are subtracting. First one, n minus 74. Next one, n minus 2 into, same story will happen, one more 74. 2 into 74. 2 into 74. If you do one more time, n minus. If you do one more time, n minus 3 into 74. 3 into 74. If you continue 3 times, this is the story. If you continue k time, n minus k into 74. K into 74 is equal to, right? I think decrementing. See, from the n, you are keep on removing, right? Decrementing. Overall, it became 1. Whenever it became 1, condition fails. See, decrementing. Suppose I value 10. After some time, it became maybe 8. After some time, it may become 3. After some time, it may become 2. Every time condition true. Now, lastly, 1. 1 greater than 1, condition fail. So, condition fail. Fail statement you have to write. So, it is continued like this one. Now, let me see this one. Let me see this one. So, right, I think I want k value. K means how many times you done. Time complexity means how many times you done. Time complexity means how many times you done. So, k times I done. What is the k value? Let me find out. What is the k value? So, n minus 1 is equal to k into 74. K into 74. N minus 1 is equal to k into 74. So, finally, k is equal to n minus 1 by 74. N minus 1 by 74. That is the k. So what I mean to say is, if you keep on subtract every time 74, by 74 will come. In the previous problem, you are every time keep on add by 74. By 74, addition, subtraction both are same. Addition, start from small number, right? Keep on add. Subtraction, start from big number, keep on subtract. That is the only difference. I think let's see how many statements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Including this one also, maybe 6 times. Outside loop, you no need to consider, because loop is going on. Loop things only count. I think 6 times. 6 times. So 6 times of, right? How many times is going on? N minus 1 by 74. This is the time complexity of this program. So forget about the constants and all. If you bother about the constant, 6 by 74 into n minus 1. 6 by 74 into n minus 1, which is going to be n minus 1. Forget about constants. In the minus 1 constant, na? So big O of n. Big O of n. Big O of n. Okay? I hope everyone is comfortable. So this is the time. So what I mean to say is, for the addition, subtraction is the reverse. Addition is incrementing, subtraction is decrementing. But I don't care. Is it incrementing, decrementing? I will care only how many times loop. Loop is how many times. I will care only that. I will only care how many times loop. Is incrementing, decrementing? I don't care. If it is a bigger number, it will decrement. If it is a smaller number, it will increment. Say, start from small, increment. Start from big, decrement. Other than this, nothing there. I hope you got it. I hope everyone got it. Right? Fine. So yeah, if you can refer to your friends, right? If you can refer to your classmates, you can refer to your friends, your relatives, whoever want to learn DSA, you can refer. right? There is a 100% job guarantee course also. If anyone having career gaps, if any fresher is looking for a job, they can try for job guarantee course also. The job guarantee course here, job ready courses. These are the job ready courses. DSA plus system design, programming languages you can learn by, right? Next one is a full stack, right? Web development with DSA, full stack app development with DSA, right? Next one is a DSA with Oracle database, right? You can join whatever you want. These are our placed students. I want to see you. I want to see you also in this place. I want to see you also in this place. I want to see that you are also going to be big MNC, right? Like Google, like Meta, right? There are all my students. So my students are there in most of the MNCs, FANG-based companies, Microsoft. So many companies are there. I wish you will also go there. I wish you will also go there. So this is the today is Sunday. I think it's enough. Sunday also taking class may not be nice, right? But anyhow, I promised, so that is the reason I taken the Sunday also. I promised that the reason I taken the Sunday also, right? Tomorrow, right? Monday onwards, class will be there in the EPT platform, right? Monday onwards, class will be there on the EPT platform. So there is some assignment is there, right? So because of almost 5 classes are there, there is some assignment also, right? Fine. Yeah. See you in the next class. If anyone is not joined, you can join happily, right? 60% is offer going up. Use this code EPT 595 ARJ. Using this code, you can join. Within 3 months, you will become a DSA expert. Within 3 months, you will become a DSA expert. Right? Thanks. Thanks, everyone. See you in the next class. Thanks. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Yeah, bye.